everyone, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are making chicken pot pie, my favorite thing in the world. So like if it's Thanksgiving and you've got leftover turkey, you can do this with your turkey and make a turkey pot pie. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick what we're going to do. I have a 1/4 cup of skinny bread here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to it. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of egg whites. Okay, the melted butter makes it taste like a pastry. The egg whites makes it taste, keeps it sticking together so it doesn't fall apart. So I'm going to mix it, see how it looks? And then I got my Jesus dash. Okay, I'm going to try to go like this so you guys can see. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my spatula. I'm going to get all this out. I don't want to waste anything. I hate wasting. Okay? And then what I'm going to do, I think I got to wear a glove. It's very hard to spread out, but you want it thick like that. You want to keep the texture thick like that because you want it to taste like a pastry, because that's what chicken pot pie is, okay? So I'm going to go like this. And now I'm going to close it and let it cook for a minute, okay? And while it's cooking, I'm going to tell you how I made the pot pie filling. All there is in here is some vegetables. So I know like for regular chicken pot pie, they add like mixed vegetables like green beans, peas, corn, carrots. We don't do that, okay? Because we're healthy, low-carb people. So what I do is I do broccoli, onions, celery, and then I do chicken, okay? I do chicken breasts. I do the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I cook it till it shreds. So I do that. I mix the chicken, the broccoli, the celery, the onion, and what I do is I add just enough heavy whipping cream to give it color, see that? And to make it like kind of moist, okay? I don't want to make it too heavy. And then I add just a little bit of HTM seasoning to flavor it. Honestly, if you don't want to make it too salty, you don't even need to add the HTM seasoning in here. You can just sprinkle the HTM seasoning on when you put it in the pot pie. So look here. So that's probably cooked now. Yes, it is. So now I'm gonna flip it. I have never flipped it without breaking it, but let me show you how beautiful it is. There you go. See that? Now, it might not be the most beautiful pot pie, but I'm going to tell you, it's going to be the most delicious, healthy, low-carb pot pie you've ever had. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pot pie part on half of it. I'll probably put it on this half since it's broken. And then what I'll do is I'm going to let it get hot just for a second. And then I'll take this half and put it on. And I got my pot pie. Okay, guys? So let's give it a second. Let's just let it get hot just for a second. But you see, guys, this is what I'm talking about. I'm trying to give you alternatives for everything you crave so that you never have to cheat. You literally never have to cheat. And if you are on a budget, all you need from me is the mixes. You just buy the mixes and you can make all this stuff, okay? If you're not on a budget, you can be luxurious and get extra stuff. But if you are on a budget, we can still help you. And you don't have to deprive yourself, and you can eat healthy. All right, so now that's probably been long enough. Hopefully this is warm enough. Now I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna stick this on top. And there's my pot pie, guys. I have a delicious pot pie, and I'm telling you, this skinny bread tastes like a pastry. Like, I am not exaggerating one bit when I say that. So now I'm gonna pick it up, put it on my plate, and I'm gonna serve it to my customers for them to try. Okay, guys? We love you. It's just another thing you can have for comfort food. You know, we just want to make you happy, and we don't want to make you feel deprived, okay? So If you want more recipes like this, all you got to do is go to healthytreatsmarket.com, click on the 3 bars, click on the recipe book, and there's plenty of recipes there. And you can also shop online if you don't live nearby. And if you do live nearby, come visit us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.